pag-usapan natin itong Kasking Lethal Blaze. Itong reel na to, bago lang to nilabas ni Kasking sa TikTok Shop. So pag-usapan natin kung saan ba lumulugar itong reel na to sa range of reels na ino-offer ni Kasking. Para sa akin, ito yung reel na bagay sa mga anglers na mahilig mag-target ng mga good size na isda or sa spot nila maraming malalaking isda. Dahil mako-consider ko itong reel na to as a very powerful reel in terms of drag capacity. Kasi kung titingnan nyo, yung 2,000 size niya is 8 kilograms na. Itong hawak-hawak natin na 5,000 size, 12 kilograms. So if you're looking for a very powerful reel, maganda itong Kasking Lethal Blaze. And considering its price, okay na itong reel na to. It has actually a very rigid frame in terms of performance. Yung kanyang gearing is 5.2 to 1 gear ratio. Yung kanyang bearings is 5+1 pero Maxidor shielded ball bearings na. And in terms of smoothness, very smooth yung kanyang gearing. So if you want to check this reel out, ilalagay ko to sa yellow basket and makikita nyo rin to sa aking showcase.